Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. So today I'm going to show you the most confusing joining statement, and that is definitely self-join. As name implies, self-join is going to connect two columns from exact the same table. And what is the point of that? Let me show you. From item. You see, we have these four columns, and let's concentrate on this price column right now. So in case of self-join, we are going to get every single value from this column combined with every single value from this very same column. And what is the purpose of that? Honestly, I never use this feature in any of my projects, but I heard that this feature is used usually in scientific and analytic projects. So I'm going to teach you, and whether you're going to use it or not, it's up to you. So in order to use self-join, first concentrate on tables. So first we are going to type from. And now we are going to create aliases for our table. So I'm going to take item table and I'm going to call it I1 in first case. Then very same table, I'm going to call it I2 in second case. And now select from I1, price as first column, but column it's keyword, so this is going to be wrapped. Now I2 price as second column, like this. And if we run this code, we have combination of every value with one another. So we have 9 values, so we got 81 combinations total. And on top of all of this, you could actually use where. So you could provide some kind of conditions. Let me show you. Where I1 price is greater than 4. And what is going to happen now? You see, we got less combinations. So we have excluded values from I1 table that are less or equals to 4. And we could do also for I2 table. And keyword I2 greater than 4. So now we have 36 combinations. Oh, sorry. I2 price. And now we have 16 combinations. And you don't have to provide conditions only about price. We could actually provide condition for item name equals fish. Check this out. So we have value for fish on left side and all of other values on the right side. So guys, I truly hope that you are going to find some use of this self-join statement. And if you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.